One small loss of focus on the road can cause serious damage. You must always stay aware and focus to avoid ending up in situations like you'll see in this video, from car crashes to near misses and more. Reckless driver rear-ends a van and proceeds to crash into multiple other cars. Unaware Tesla driver pulls out right in front of oncoming traffic. Let's see how that one ended. Unfortunately for this BMW, running a red light from the wrong lane ends just the way the audience wants it to. Instant karma on this idiot driver overtaking at high speeds on turns and an icy road.
Are you fucking nuts? Shit! Ah!
Wet roads aren't the ones to be playing about on. Drive safely and carefully at speeds you can handle. If unawareness was a driver, it would be this dude.
Oh my god!
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
He's going to hit this car. What happened? No, this car going to hit him. Then his tire catch and flip. No. I think call you.
Perfect example of why tailgating is never a good idea. In Instead of pulling up more on the shoulder, the vehicle decided to basically stop in the middle of the freeway. She was too distracted on her phone to pay attention to the road, and this happened. Do drivers just not like to check if there's oncoming traffic before turning?
What the fuck, dude? Turn on your fucking lights!
Another driver not checking his mirrors or surroundings. Total idiot. You can see when the dashcam car hits the brakes. Other driver had so much time to react. Close call. Pedestrian got very lucky there.
Oh shit!
What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck?
Not sure why the brake check, but the aftermath serves him right. He can't miss his turn. Doesn't matter if he puts other people's and his own life in danger, that turn is more important.
Come on, man.
Careless driver doesn't spot a motorcycle on the road and pulls out right in front, which leads to this.
fuck?